Hello guys, welcome to the channel. What we are trying to achieve today is basically a free forever WordPress instance on GCP. So let me give a brief overview how we are going to achieve it. So basically, GCP offers one of the plans wherein you can go and get avail multiple services from Google Cloud Platform free tier. It involves some of the products which are always free. We are going to use one of these to deploy our WordPress instance. To point out, we'll be using Compute Engine for deploying our WordPress instance on F1 micro instance. This is a free forever WordPress. This will give you a free forever WordPress instance with 30 GB of hard disk drive, and you can create snapshot, but that will not be helpful in our case. So let's go ahead and see how we are going to do that. So I have logged into my GCP console, and you'll see a screen something like this. You have to create a sample project, basically a project to create a WordPress instance. You can follow, you can see, get those instructions on the blog, from the blog link in the description down below. Then once you have set up everything, just head over to the marketplace. So so WordPress should basically come on the top as suggested under recommended section, but it doesn't. If it doesn't, you can click on virtual machines and then search for WordPress. So you will get multiple options over here. You can choose any of them. I will choose, let's say, um, I'll not use OpenLight. You can use OpenLight also, but I, I'll show you the WordPress instance which I was recommended by Google. So this is the standard WordPress, which will basically get all the WordPress updates and everything. It is supported by Google, backed by Google also. So you can be sure that there are no security violations on this. I'll link this instance. I'll link this project details, like this particular, how to reach to this particular WordPress installation instance in the description or in the blog. So let's go ahead and see how simple it is to launch a WordPress instance. So when you click on launch, you can basically give some sample, and make sure you select from the zone, you select North America region. And so you see it is billed at $14.90. We have to reduce it to around somewhere around $4. We can make sure you select micro instance from the drop down in the machine type, because this is the instance which is provided for free by Google. So you notice there is a reduce in the price now, and it says effective hourly rate is $0.006, which gives you basically 730 hours per month. And this also translates to a free Google VM instance. You have to enter some email address which will be configured in WordPress setup, and you'll once the WordPress is installed, you'll get confirmation email on this same address. Then this all is fine. You have to make sure that you allow HTTP traffic as well as HTTPS traffic. If you are thinking of using SSL in future, you have to make sure that you select this checkbox. That's it, folks. We just need to click on deploy and wait for some time for Google instance to come up. As soon as WordPress instance is created, you'll get all the details on the right hand side about the WordPress instance, what is the URL and how to log into the instance. So you can see site address is in pending state, which means GCP is trying to set up WordPress. Basically, you will get, so if you want to log in as an admin user, you can use the same email with some random generated password, which is temporary. You can reset it once you log into the WordPress. Let's wait for it to come up. Then we can see whether our WordPress is actually live or not. I so there are some data changes still getting deployed. So meanwhile, we can discuss about what operations or what functionality this block can offer. So I would recommend you not to use this block for production purpose. You can use it as a personal blog, or if you are expecting somewhere traffic somewhere around 5,000, 5K per day or something around that. But it won't support a huge number of traffics. So it has, yeah, that was it. So it has generated a site URL like this. Let's head to that address and see if our WordPress is live. So yeah, congrats, our WordPress is live, and if you want to log into the admin dashboard also, you can do so. Let me just verify that. I will enter, let's say, an email and the temporary password which was generated by WordPress. So yes, we have a WordPress instance running. You can install plugins, you can install themes, everything whatever you do with WordPress, you can do here also. That was it. You can continue running this WordPress instance file. However, I would like to need a suggestion. I would like to see what all purposes you are using this WordPress instance for. So kindly don't forget to comment it down below. I will be very excited to see what all purposes this WordPress would serve, and how could I help you with that. Thank you. Thanks a lot.